In this video, I'll show you how to change Gemini language on the Google app. If you're using Gemini on Android, the language can usually be changed right inside the Gemini app settings. Google says you can open the Gemini mobile app, tap your profile picture or initial at the top, go to Settings, then tap Languages, and choose the language you want the Gemini app to use. This changes the app language for menus, notifications, and other Gemini text. Now, there is one important detail. Google also explains that this language setting affects more than just the menu text. It can also affect which languages you can use when talking to Gemini with your voice, including when using the mic or saying, "Hey Google." At the same time, Gemini can still understand and reply in supported languages when you type your prompt, even if the app display language is different. If you're on iPhone or iPad, the process is different. Google says the Gemini mobile app on iOS uses the primary language set in your iPhone or iPad language settings. So instead of changing it inside the app, you need to open the Settings app on your device. Go to General, then Language and Region. Add the language you want if needed and set it as your primary language. After that, Gemini should use that language. If you're asking about Gemini inside the regular Google app experience, keep in mind that some Gemini and Assistant language behavior can also follow your device or Google Assistant language settings. Google's Assistant Help says on Android you can change or add assistant languages from your Google settings, and some features are only available in certain languages. So the easiest way to remember it is this. On Android, open Gemini, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then Languages, and choose the language you want. On iPhone or iPad, change the main device language from Settings because the Gemini app follows your primary iPhone or iPad language instead. Also keep in mind that some Gemini features are not available in every language yet. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.